Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. Do you need to change the spark plugs in your 2018 to current Kia Soul? Well, don't you worry, this video is for you. Okay, so first thing you want to go ahead and do, just take this beauty cover off. All you gotta do is reach underneath and just pull up. There you go. That just has 4 little indentions here, and then you'll have 4 little pegs there to stick it to. Okay, so now you're going to get a 10 millimeter, and we're just going to take these off. Don't know where my electric ratchet is. I'd love to use it right now. It's like the best tool ever. I'll tell you right now. Totally invest in it. Feel lost without it. Okay, so we're almost done really. We're about to the spark plugs. Okay, so now we just want to take off these connectors. You pull up just like that, and then you can press down and pull out. And there we go. We have 4 coil packs. If you need to replace them, that's all you gotta do. Now we'll get to the spark plugs. Okay, you want to grab yourself a spark plug socket. This right here is a 5/8 made by OEM Tools. It is the magnetic one. These are a lot better than the rubber gasket ones. There we go, we got one. And look at this. We're coming up on the 100,000 mile, maintenance. I think it's at like 94, 95, somewhere in there, but it's right there at it. And we will compare those to the new ones in just a minute. There we go. It's our second one. We'll take a better look at it in a minute. And one more. Okay, so taking a look at these two, as you can see, this one's been used and abused. Now this, like I said, was 96,000 miles, and this is a brand new one. Nothing to really see here other than checking your gap. But yeah, that one, I definitely recommend changing it before 100,000 miles. I know sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, but to prolong your car's life and longevity, it's always good to keep up with basic maintenance. Now let's go ahead and put these in. And this is why you want a spark plug socket. Now this is the magnetic type. That thing is in there. A lot of times with the O-rings, I wind up, if I would have done that, it would have came out. Now it holds it pretty good, but they do just tend to come out with the O-rings. So get you a magnetic spark plug socket. You won't regret it. And at this point, we're just gonna go ahead and tighten it down. Thought I had it there with my hand. I was wrong. Okay, there it is. So once it stops, I like to give it just a little oomph. About like that. Then you can come back later and torque all these down once all 4 are in. Let's go ahead and put the other 3 in. All right, we're going to snug these down. Then you just want to come back and hit it with a torque wrench. Okay, so at this point, all you're going to do is put your cool packs back in. Just push them down. If you got some dielectric grease, you can put it back in there. Usually I have some on me. I don't at the moment. We'll grab our 3 10mm, start them by hand. This way you know you're not cross-threading them. Now these usually have a very small torque spec. Okay, as you can see, we have all 4 of them back in. You'll just take your next one, you'll hear a click whenever you push it in. Once you hear that click, push down on this tab, that locks it in, and then we just finish it up. There you go, all of them are locked in, and it's pretty hard to mistakenly put these on the wrong ones because they're pretty much just the right length to go where they need to go. Now the 4 posts that the beauty cover sits on, you have one right over here, right above the alternator, have one right over here, and you got one just right back here behind that cool pack, and then your other one is sitting right there. So the circle just goes right there where your oil cap is. So once you get it about right there, it'll about fall in place anyways. And there we go. But really, that's all there is to it. So at this point, go out there and let me know your success stories. Other than that, have a great day. Thanks.